How to make collage in Instagram stories. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you just that. So just open your Instagram and just swipe right on your screen to get the camera icon on, and after that all you have to do is just select a background. You can also click on the create section from the left hand side menu to have a solid background, and here at the bottom just click on this circle icon to choose a background of your choice. And if you don't like it, then you can long press on it and choose a solid background of your choice, and if you like it, just leave your finger from here and you will end up with this particular solid background. And after that, just click on the emoticon icon from the middle of the screen on the top, and here just scroll up and you will see this pictures icon in the middle. Just click on it and just select the pictures of your choice. You can tap on the picture that you have selected to give it a shape, like a circle, square, heart, or a star shape. Click on the emoticon icon again and select more pictures of your choice. You can select as many pictures as you want. Once you're done adding your pictures, just finish it off with songs, filters, and text as per your liking. And once you are done, just go ahead and click on your stories, and after that this collage will be shared on your story. So in order to see that, just click on your stories, and here as you can see that the story has been sent as a collage. So this is basically how you will be able to make a collage in your Instagram stories. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.